How to delete plugins in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and sign in if needed. At the top of the screen, click on the Plugins tab. Then select Manage Plugins. A list of your installed plugins will appear. Find the plugin you want to remove. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. This will remove the plugin from your Roblox Studio environment. After uninstalling, close and reopen Roblox Studio to make sure the changes take effect. If the plugin still appears, go back to Manage Plugins and confirm that it is no longer listed or that it has been disabled. If the plugin was added through your Roblox account inventory, open Roblox in your browser, go to your account inventory, and navigate to the Plugins section. Find the plugin and delete it from your inventory. Once done, return to Roblox Studio and check again. The plugin should no longer appear in the plugin list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.